The shopkeepers then bluster about the shops.
Reintroduce myself as the
I built my own engine.
Shopkeepers then bluster about the shops.
Barry Knight has put together today's programme, all of which will take place in this room. We'll have 2 sessions before and 2 sessions after lunch. The day's events will run as follows. 9:30 registration, coffee and rolls, which I hope you have enjoyed. 10:15, Paul Ireland will present on the hot starting problem. Right, I'd now like to hand over to Paul.
Thank you. I'm fine. Go. Okay, so just to introduce myself, Paul Ireland. A lot of you know me, I guess. I've had a 1949 TC since 1967. So I used to drive it in the old days when I was at university, prop petrol. And I still use it a lot today.
No, recently they showed some pushed in sleeves and afterwards they've got.
Oh, okay, so I'll talk with you now.
Fallen to the other side.
That's good sign language.
The shopkeepers then bluster about the shops.
Some of you who might have come to a presentation in 2017 might be experiencing a sense of déjà vu during this talk. That's completely delusional and in no way guarantees a refund from Barry.
Yes, the earliest form of water pump had a graphite or carbon block actually inserted in the pump, and this counter graphite block was fixed to the spindle. The alternative is to go to Restorations Limited and buy an outright pump, and that includes a 6-bladed fan. Now that might be worth thinking about. I'll come to that point slightly later on.
Now I'd like to introduce Peter Edney, who's going to be talking to us about tuning in performance for the XPAG engine. Peter's got vast amounts of experience in that field, so over to you, Peter.
Thank you. Right, good afternoon everybody. For you people that don't know me, as I said, I'm Peter Edney. I run a company called Classic Performance Limited. We are based in Bletchley, near Milton Keynes, and we specialise in the restoration, rebuild, performance of classic engines, predominantly MG T-type engines. I've been working with T-type engines, XPAG and XPEG engines for 40 plus years. I know I don't look old enough, but I started when I was 10. So, fast mode engines, we're boring them straight out to 69mm without even thinking about it. On your XPEGs, 72 standard, take them up to 73.5, which is obviously a plus 64 standard oversized bore.
Going back to the cooling, I mean, does the radiator itself make that much difference? I mean, modern radiator cores have got more cooling capacity, have they not, than the original? I think backflushing is probably a good start.
Yeah. I mean, I must admit, I think keeping your radiator in good nick, and I usually backflush mine once every maybe 5 years, just to keep it clear. And I also got a wetting agent in, which seems, whether it helps or not, I don't know. But
John Day swears by the wetting agent, and when he had his 1880, he says
you had a hell of a problem with
Yeah.
cooling on that until you used the wetting engine.
Yeah,
So it was
it's
fine.
called water wetter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a pink, and it does work very well. We use it on the race cars, and it does bring it down a good 10 degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, instantly.